Hangzhou Advance Gearbox Group was founded in 1960, which is the first enterprise to produce marine gearboxes in China. In the past 60 years, the company has put more than 1.2 million sets of marine gearboxes into the domestic and international markets. Power range covers 10 kW to 10,000 kW, widely used in fishing boats, crew boats, diving boats, seagoing vessels, tankers. As official marine power packager, SeaMac has been working closely with Advance since the year of 2011, and we has been successfully exported hundreds of gearboxes, covers the range from 120C to GWC 17.76.
Hello everyone, this is Haley from SeaMac, sub-brand of SeaMac Group. In this video, I will introduce you Advance HC600A marine gearbox.
Ratio range from 2 to 3.89. The input speed is 1000 to 2100 per minute. Housing can provide SAE 0001. Flywheel SAE 21, 18, 16, 14 is available. All of Advanced standard marine gearbox come with following accessories:
Flywheel housing, flywheel, oil cooler, control system, oil pressure gauge, oil pump, output coupling, oil filter, service manual and parts catalog,
nameplate.
Standard input coupling is the basic flexible coupling, but we can also provide highly flexible coupling with extra cost. The standard control system is mechanic, but we can also provide electric and air control system with extra cost.
Committed to providing premium propulsion system and power system for all kinds of ship all around the world. SeaMac is a sub-brand of SeaMac that focusing on maritime application. SeaMac's ranges of products are marine main engine, cover power range from 50 horsepower to 5,000 horsepower. Advance gearbox. Marine propellers. Electric control lever system. Marine generator set and marine auxiliary engines. All kinds of other marine accessories. All SeaMac's products are approved by CCS, and some of our products able to provide BV, LR, ABS, DNV, and GL, RS, and other classification societies.
Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact SeaMac at any time via email, telephone, WhatsApp, WeChat, Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage, seamac.com.